Hello everyone, welcome to final project presentation of our group. In the class of the intercultural design, the theme chosen by our group is the pattern design of traditional Chinese sichuan teacups. Okay, and this is the catalog of our group's final project presentation. We have divided this part of the presentation into 6 parts, which are the theme and the cultural chosen, the root cause of the project, data research and analysis, final design and project progress and the reference. This is the theme and the culture. Our group chosen country is Chinese and culture is traditional Chinese culture.
We decided to use a marker to make a picture on the ceramic coaster and use blue drop dye to make a tea culture stand. Due to the strong correlation between traditional Chinese solar teams and tea culture, we decided to design the coaster pattern by adding elements of solar teams and present it on ceramic coaster and standing plates. We have enhanced the color of the overall pattern and selected 3 famous types of traditional Chinese ceramics: blue and white porcelain, red glass, and enamel to present our design pattern. This makes our redesigned pattern more attractive and easy to spread our cultural concept to the public. Ceramic teacups are a container used to make and drink tea. It is made of high temperature filled clay or porcelain clay, which has good breathability and can absorb the fragrance of tea, which is suitable for long tea use. The porcelain cup has a smooth glass which does not absorb odors and can better preserve the original taste of tea soup. When drink tea, ceramic teacups are usually used in combination with coaster to accentuate the pattern of ceramic coasters. Black teacups has been changed by both dynasties. The patterns are more integrated and rich and have become an indispensable cultural symbol in tea culture. Mr. Law Shi's classic work Tea House is set against the background of Chinese tea culture. It is not only the embodiment of tea culture, but also the epitome of history. Culture of ceramic teacups. In the design of the teacup pattern, we integrate traditional Chinese integrate the traditional Confucius idea of balanced art, courtesy, wisdom, and faith into traditional Chinese colors and express our sense of identity with the deep cultural heritage of ceramic cups through different traditional colors and patterns of different meanings.
The main force is to integrate Chinese traditional tea culture into the daily lives of all the people. It is related to the full and form of the Chinese creation, such as the magnolia is full bloom in spring, the lotus flowers that bloom in summer, and the cherry-moss that bloom in autumn. For people who often live in urban areas, there are not religious themes. This things important integrates the traditional 2-4 solar themes. The main force to connect Chinese traditional culture, create the background on the theme face and the contrast of the 2-4 social themes. Incorporate immense representation the 2-4 solar themes into the design of the casters to the such as traditional Chinese culture. By in meaningful cross-cultural interactions, we enrich our design process while also supporting cultural exchange and integration. At the same time, we foster mutual respect to the cultural difference and build a bridge for the cultural communication.
This is our different analysis. Hello everyone. According to the research result, the majority of respondents are young people aged 18 to 22, mainly of Chinese nationality, and most of them have a habit of drinking tea and have a basic understanding of traditional tea culture. The survey shows that although the majority of people prefer traditional ceramic tea sets and traditional pattern designs, nearly 40% believe that the design of new style tea set is conducive to the dissemination and innovation of traditional culture. At the same time, about 70% of the respondents thinking that new style tea varieties such as blue tea have a positive impact on traditional tea culture and can attract more young people attention. To sum up, traditional tea culture still hold appeal among young people, and new tea beverages and modern designs have injected it with fresh vitality. In the future, we should strike a balance between inheritance and innovation to enable traditional tea culture to regain new life in modern society.
On the week 4 weekend, our group interview at Fanjian Tea House in Keilongpo, and our group visited the Fanjian Tea House and the Stone Tea Rooms. Okay, the next is our group final design.
We designed the three custom items corresponding to the three solar terms of Qingming, summer solstice, and autumn Intercultural. Qingming uses blue tones combined with Mongolite rainbows and window lattice to show the varieties of spring and traditional tea culture. Summer solstice is in rosary with flowers symbolizing the winds and the red tones symbolizing longevity, and choosing the Vienna rose variety of the summer solstice. Autumnal electronics use enamel style combining cherry systems with special patterns and the garden orange tones to express the connection between autumn harvest and tea culture. These three designs combine traditional elements with modern accessories, hoping to show the unique culture of Chinese solar terms culture.
The first work transformed into a current through the recent heat of a teacup, symbolizing fertility and equaling the vernal equinox and the arrival of spring. The second work showcased the refreshing atmosphere of tea tasting in summer, with lotus leaf and flowing water reflecting the elegance of summer retreat, just like during the summer solstice. People use tea to relieve heat and enjoy mountain of tranquility. The third work is the beautiful scenery of vibrant tea gardens and the interplay of flowers and birds during the transition from spring to summer, symbolizing the strong growth of tea trees and the overflowing fragrance of tea.
Next is our project progress, and this is our progress video. And this visual reference, and this is our references. This is our group members' blog links.